Argonaut Manufacturing Services, choosing the right partner for non-sterile fill finish manufacturing. Selecting a trusted non-sterile fill finish manufacturer can be pivotal for your business. Here are the key factors to consider when choosing the right partner. In non-sterile fill finish, quality and compliance are essential. Look for a manufacturer who meets GMP standards, ensuring product safety and regulatory adherence. Choose a partner with specialized equipment and flexible production capabilities for non-sterile applications. This ensures precision, efficiency, and consistent product quality. Find a manufacturer who can scale with your growth. A flexible partner can adjust to your needs, from small batches to full production. If your product is required to be sterile, Argonaut partners with service providers for all the major modalities, whether it be dry or moist heat, irradiation, or gas sterilization. In non-sterile fill finish, quality and compliance are essential. Be sure that your CMO has analytical and microbiology capabilities and a network of approved third-party laboratories to cater to the unique testing requirements for your product. Choose a manufacturer with reliable sourcing and end-to-end logistics support, ensuring timely delivery and high-quality product. Argonaut provides trusted non-sterile fill finish services tailored to your needs. Let's work together to ensure your product's quality and success in the market. Visit argonautms.com to learn more.